Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to clean up data in Google Sheets. So first, make sure your internet connection is turned on, then open up the sheet with the data you'd like to clean up. Now before you start, I strongly recommend that you make a copy of the file with the data you want to clean. This way, if you accidentally delete anything while cleaning up, you'll still have the original file with all the data in it. So to do that, click on File, then select Make a Copy. And you can just rename the copy to cleaned copy of whatever file it is. Now, when cleaning up data on your sheets, there are three things you should look for. First one is blank cells, so any cells with missing data in them. The second is duplicates, any cells where you have repeated entries. And the last one is extra spaces. So this is basically any unwanted spaces in cells. Now, the first thing we're going to do is check for blank cells. And if you have a large body of data, it can be difficult to just scroll through it and find that. So there's a way to do this. Press Ctrl A on Windows, or if you're using a Mac, Command A, and head to Format. Then select Conditional Formatting. And right here, we'll see the range of the data we selected. This is all the data since we use Ctrl A. And under Format Rules here, you want to change this condition to is empty. So when you do that, it will highlight all the empty cells. And if you scroll down, you see right here, these are the empty spaces, and you can fill them with the appropriate data. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that now. And now I can just cancel that, the conditional formatting. Next thing we're going to clean up is any duplicates. So to do that, select data, and you can select data cleanup and remove duplicates, or you can head over to cleanup suggestions, and you'll see any duplicated rows. You can choose to ignore them or remove. This is great, it's better than the other choice because it helps you see which rows have been duplicated and which rows it will remove. So if you don't want to remove them, you could leave them. This way you can avoid mistakes when cleaning up your data. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove all the duplicates. And once you're done cleaning up the duplicates, you can review your column stats. And here you can see how many times each name appears in the whole sheet. You can also filter it to see which appears the least. You can also see the total number of rows you have, your unique values and empty cells. So this can be helpful just to know what you have on the entire sheet. So now that I'm done, I'm just going to cancel that. And the last thing we're going to do is trim off any white space. So this is basically any extra space you have after the text. So press Ctrl A to select all, or if you're using the Mac, Command A, and head over to Data, then Data Cleanup, and select Trim White Space. And you'll see that it trims off white space from any of the cells with extra spaces in them. Now just click OK. And that's it. That's how to clean up data in Google Sheets. Now if you'd like, you can download the file by heading over to File and selecting Download. Or you could also select Make Available Offline so you don't have to be online to view the file. And that's all for today's video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.